Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these rope twists and how to get them looking very nice. So I'm going to use these two strands to show you guys how I did this, and honestly my hair has grown so much, like it looks so good that you guys look at that length, and I just had to dance literally. So some of the products that I use, my Detangler hair growth oil, and then of course edge control to catch any flyaways while you're braiding. And the trick is make sure your hair is well moisturized under a protective style, or else you're just literally causing breakage that you don't want. So yes, keep it moisturized, guys.
So I'm going to take this hair like this. When I joined both of them, I sort of staggered them like that. That way it's a bit longer in front. The back I didn't do that because the length was already there, but by the time you get to the front, stagger it a little bit so you have some evenness to the length. So I'm going to take this right here.
So I did not fast forward this part at all so that you guys can see what I'm doing closely. So I just put the middle of the Marley hair in the middle of my hair itself. I just split that particular hair, I parted in two, and then put the middle of the Marley hair in there like so. And then what you're going to do that gives you a nice that nice rope twist is start twisting your hair with the Marley hair. Right now I'm twisting forward, right, on my right hand. So right now I'm facing you, but pretend I'm the other way around. So twist forward like that, and you're just using your fingers to just hold this together. And then with my left hand, I'm twisting my hair and the Marley hair on the other side backwards. So they have to go in opposite direction. That is the trick basically. So now after twisting, you can see my fingers play a big part in how steady this twisting is. Can you see that? So they have to go in two different directions, guys, or this is not gonna work. So then you take them and overlap them like this, and as you twist them together, maintain the different directional twist that you started with, if that makes sense. I do hope it makes sense, but again, if you just watch this over and over, and hopefully it helps. Practice makes perfection, so this is something you have to practice either on yourself or someone else to be able to get used to doing it over and over. And I did that till the very end of this twist. Like I just kept, can you see that? So you're twisting individually in different directions, and then you're twisting them together as well. Do not let go, because honestly sometimes my hand starts to hurt and I'm just trying to get it over with and start, but then I notice that the consistency falls off, like it doesn't look as good. So you have to be patient. People who have been braiding for a long time tend to make this look so easy and fast, but if you're doing your own hair, you're already saving a lot of money. You get what I'm saying? So give yourself some grace and keep practicing, and you got it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this one more time, and hopefully that helps as well. So I usually get questions about how I do the back of my hair. As you can see, I did try with the parts. It does not have to be perfect, especially for this hair, and how, you know, a little bit of messiness is not too bad at all. So for the ends, I am not going to dip them in hot water because I like the texture it's giving me, and I'm just going to go in with my hair mousse that I use for braids and just apply that to the ends just to tame it a little bit. But I like the messy Marley hair texture going on.
Alright guys, so that is basically how I did this twist. I do have another video showing you how to do twist. I will either link it somewhere here or it's going to be down in the description box, so check it out guys. And let me know if y'all have any questions. More than happy to answer. I think the biggest question I usually get is, how do you do the back? As I showed y'all the back does not have to be neat. If I'm not doing it in front of my mirror in the bathroom, I make mistakes here and there, but as you can see, it's not showing. So give yourself some grace and be patient in terms of learning how to do your hair. Practice, practice, practice. Anyways, in terms of the hair that I used, I did use Marley hair. This particular hair is the Freetress Equal Synthetic Jamaican Twist Braid. This is the extra long. They do have like an 18-inch length, but this one is extra long. I was so happy to find it in the beauty supply store because I had bought the short one before, but this is perfect because I don't have to, you know, when you use short Marley hair for twist, you want it longer, you will have to like add hair. This one I just literally just took 2 strands and it gave me the length that I wanted. So this hair is really nice. Like when I finished, for Marley hair, I use Marley hair because it's very lightweight. This is sort of not too full, but because of the length, it is hard to sleep with as of right now. But I found a good like sleep cap that just sucks it in. So I will see if I can find that sleep cap online and put it in the description box, but that has been helpful. So depending on how you sleep and what bonnet you use, that will make your life easier when you have like butt-length braids. Okay, so yeah, I like it so far. I like that it is so natural looking compared to like silky hair. This is so pretty, and I think the older it gets, the more I am going to love it. So if you guys want to see a video of me styling this hair, let me know in the comment section below. Good like holiday style. Yeah, maybe I'll show you guys how to like do holiday styling for twist, because I've been thinking maybe I want to do like a big hair, like you know, like a wig or something, but I'm probably planning to keep this in till like January, unless I get like a sponsorship of some sort, and then I have to do content creation for that. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. That is it. Again, if you have questions, let me know down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up on this video. As usual, thank y'all so much, and yeah, that is it. Bye guys.